Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create email addresses for a large group of people instantly using a simple Excel formula. If you're managing a team list or onboarding new employees, this trick will save you tons of time. Let's get started. First, make sure your Excel sheet has the first names in one column and last names in another. Now, type this formula in a preferred cell equals lower, select first name and dot, and select last name and @company.com. Press enter, and there you go. Your first email address is ready. Now just drag the formula down to fill the rest of the column, and Excel instantly creates email addresses for everyone in the list. It's fast, clean, and super easy. If you need to copy these emails somewhere else, like Outlook or Gmail, you can copy the column and paste as values to remove the formula. That way, you'll have a clean list of ready-to-use email addresses. And that's it. You just created professional-looking email addresses for dozens of people in seconds. No typing each one by hand. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more time-saving Excel tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.